Thank you very much, Mr. Moderator. My name is Henrik Ræder Clausen. I'm Danish. I'm speaking for the International Civil Liberties Alliance. It's interesting to follow the discussion here, and there seems to be a trend towards a desire for more international institutions and more international activity to monitor the human rights situation. I see that, for example, with the OSCE parliamentary representative who was saying that we need to strengthen international institutions in the field. However, it's the belief of ICLA that the better approach is to use the national institutions, because the national institutions have the democratic legitimacy that we need for these subjects. And in order to get the human rights, the understanding of human rights into the fabric of the judiciary, we need that to take place on the national level. Experience suggests that actually we already have at least as many tools as we need. It's our opinion that we need fewer tools, because the amount of tools we have already to uphold human rights can be confusing and cause insecurity for ordinary citizens going about their lives and expressing their opinions. We are seeing that defamation is becoming a severe problem, supported by hate speech laws who were meant to protect people. The opposite is happening. We see that the laws on the book already, if they were fully enforced, it would lead to a totalitarian society. We do not desire that. We desire free societies. We are seeing vigilante left-wing extremist groups taking upon themselves to violently enforce their understanding of these laws. This is not very sound for free societies and democracies. Hate speech laws, in our view, is part of the problem, not a part of the solution. In Denmark, we have an Article 266b about hate speech, which is very elaborate. If I were to state that pedophile Catholic Belgian men are scumbags, I might have committed a quadruple hate speech offense, but I can't be sure because we have legal uncertainty in the area. In Germany, for example, and now pardon my French, it is a punishable offense to call an asshole. It is punishable with fines from 450 to 1,200 euros, as recent examples have shown. What we really desire, what would be good for a free society with respect for human rights in the fabric of the judiciary and law enforcement, would be the Bill of Rights or similar fundamental rules, as the US representative so eloquently spoke on yesterday. We need that in Europe, and we need respect for that for my American friends. We do not need, for ordinary human rights defenders, we do not need the fat compilations that many people do not read. We need to abolish laws that we already have in the book. So ICLA recommends that we repeal blasphemy laws, for we do not need a legal obligation to respect the flying spaghetti monster or other superstition. We need to decriminalize defamation, for it is first impossible to properly enforce, and second, with today's technology, there's a lot of possibilities to respond to defamation. We do not need these laws anymore. And we need, in particular, to repeal or strongly limit the hate speech laws, for they are derailing serious debate, and they are actually a cause of hate due to people not being permitted to speak their views on important topics. We need focus on individual rights, not group rights. And finally, it's important to recall that only the national authorities have a direct democratic legitimacy to uphold and judge in these matters.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.